In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the Shop Designer feature on Big Cartel to customize the look of your online store. We'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure you can easily navigate through the Big Cartel dashboard and start editing your website's appearance in no time. So let's dive right in and make your shop look stunning. First, we begin by heading to the Big Cartel dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your store, and it's where we'll initiate our journey today. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top of the page, and you'll see an account option. This area is essentially the focal point for many of your Big Cartel settings. It's important to familiarize yourself with it, as it often serves as a gateway to various customization and administrative features. After clicking on Account, you'll find yourself on a page with a host of options related to your store. Take a moment to scroll through the section until you come across the Shop Design area. This section holds the key to unleashing your creativity and personalizing your store's interface. Don't rush through. Make sure you locate it carefully to avoid missing out on this essential feature. Once you've scrolled down to Shop Design, you'll see an option that says, Go to Shop Designer. Clicking on this link is the step that will bring you to the Shop Designer tool, where the real magic happens. The Shop Designer is a powerful, user-friendly feature within Big Cartel that allows you to modify your store's visuals to match your brand's style and vision. Here we are in the Shop Designer. This is the exciting part where you get to take control of your store's aesthetics. Whether you want to change colors, fonts, layouts, or add new features, the Shop Designer provides you with a variety of options to choose from. Spend some time exploring this interface. You might also want to experiment with different designs to see what looks best and feels right for your brand identity. That's it for today's tutorial. With the steps we've covered, you now know how to access the Shop Designer on Big Cartel and begin customizing your online store. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Don't hesitate to return to this process anytime you feel like refreshing your store's look. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!